Hey, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something truly exciting to talk about, the TicWatch E3. This smartwatch is not just another wearable, it's a game changer in the world of smart technology. Buckle up as we dive into the features that make the TicWatch E3 stand out and how it can elevate your entire smartwatch experience. Now, let's start with the performance and connectivity excellence that defines the TicWatch E3. This sleek device is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon Wear 4100 platform, delivering faster performance and smoother operation. With a robust 1GB RAM and 8GB ROM, multitasking is a breeze. The Mobvoi dual processor system ensures that every interaction is seamless. With Bluetooth 5.0 and Wi-Fi 802.11b/g/n capabilities, connectivity is not only fast but also reliable, ensuring you stay connected on the go. Moving on, the TicWatch E3 runs on the Wear OS by Google, providing an intelligent and user-friendly interface. The integration of Wear OS allows you to seamlessly connect your favorite apps directly from your wrist. Whether it's Google Maps for navigation, Spotify for music, or Google Pay for convenient transactions, everything is just a tap away. Say goodbye to reaching for your phone constantly. The TicWatch E3 keeps you connected effortlessly. One standout feature that caught our attention is the Essential mode. Imagine your battery dropping below 5%. That's when Essential mode kicks in automatically, ensuring that crucial information remains accessible even in low-power situations. And for those times when you need an extra boost, you can manually activate Essential mode, extending your battery life when you need it the most. Now, let's talk health and fitness. The TicWatch E3 isn't just a smartwatch, it's your dedicated health and fitness companion. With 24-hour heart rate monitoring, stress management features, and a built-in mic and speaker, it's a comprehensive health tracker. And for the fitness enthusiasts out there, the TicWatch E3 supports over 100 professional workout modes, including unique activities like Pilates and Taekwondo. Proactive detection and workout record tracking make it adaptable to your fitness routine. Moving on to design, the TicWatch E3 boasts a sleek polycarbonate and glass fiber watch case, providing a modern aesthetic while maintaining durability. The 2.5D glass screen enhances visual appeal, and the interchangeable 20mm silicone rubber strap ensures a comfortable fit for any occasion. With an IP68 waterproof rating, it's not just stylish but also suitable for pool swimming and more. Let's quickly run through the technical specifications. The Qualcomm Snapdragon Wear 4100 platform. GNSS support for GPS plus GLONASS plus VADO, a vivid 1.3-inch HD display with 2.5D glass, 1GB RAM, 8GB ROM, NFC payments with Google Pay, and a robust set of sensors including an accelerometer, gyro sensor, HD PPG heart rate sensor, SPO2 sensor, and a low latency off-body sensor. All of this packed into a 380 mAh battery, ensuring you get the most out of your TicWatch E3. In conclusion, the TicWatch E3 is a feature-packed smartwatch that excels in performance, connectivity, and health tracking. Elevate your wearable experience with this stylish and functional device. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a tech geek, or someone who values convenience, the TicWatch E3 has something to offer for everyone. And that wraps up our in-depth review of the TicWatch E3. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, Stay tuned for more exciting tech updates. Thanks for watching.